Last lesson we made the cracks glow. Now, what?
Today we're adding one of my favorite shader effects, Fresnel effect.
Fresnel. That sounds like the name of an old French wizard.
It's actually named after a physicist. The Fresnel effect measures the angle between the camera and the surface of an object. When you're looking straight at the surface, the effect is weak. Around the edges, where the surface turns away from the camera, it becomes much stronger. It instantly makes objects look magical, energetic, or even ghostly. You'll see it everywhere. Force fields, magic shields, hologram power-up.
So basically, every game that wants to look expensive.
Pretty much. Right-click and create a Fresnel effect node.
Whoever named that node really wanted beginners to suffer.
Leave the power value at its default for now. Now create a multiply node. Connect the output of the Fresnel effect node to one input. Connect your glow color property to the other input. Disconnect the wire going into emission. Connect your existing emission change to the first input of the add node. Now connect the Fresnel multiply output to the second input. Finally, connect the add node back into the emission. Save the graph.
Hold on, the edges are glowing.
Rotate the camera around the weapon. Notice how the glow becomes stronger around the silhouette.
So it's watching me. Great. Even my sword has trust issues.
Now try changing the power value on the Fresnel node. Higher values keep it tighter around the edges. Lower values spread the glow further across the surface. As you see the glow is white, you can move it here. Add a Fresnel color. And plug it there, make it HDR, change color in the inspector.
I thought shaders were just make things shiny. Turns out they're black magic with better documentation.